Hello guys! This particular series is for the ICSE class 10 computer students wherein we'll be going through either all or almost all programs of each and every chapter from this book. And before our mood to code runs away, let's get started. Alright, the question that we did today is Mr. Shyam Lal Agarwal invests a certain sum at 5% per annum compound interest for 3 years. Write a program in Java to calculate A. the interest for the first year, B. the interest for the second year, and C. the amount after 3 years. Take sum as the input from the user. We could have definitely used the compound interest direct formula, but then since we are dealing in bits over here, we use the same simple interest formula over and over again. And the formula for simple interest would be PRT by 100. And the way it works is the amount in the first year will become the sum for the second year. So let's just get onto our editor. Let's make a new class, name it program underscore 1. And over here, let's just create a class and name it the same thing, program underscore 1. Let's create a function, void main, and we take the input that will be a sum. So let's take it as a doubling input, so double sum. And the first bit asks us just for the interest for the first year, so we'll be needing just one variable for it. So let us take another doubling input, so double I underscore 1, that'll be our interest for the first year. Let's just initialize it to 0.0 I underscore 1. For calculating the interest, the formula will be PRT by 100, so it will be the sum into the rate of interest, that is 5% per annum, into how many years. But since this is simple interest just for 1 year, let's just take it as 1 year divided by 100. You could as well just go ahead and type 0.05 instead of the 5 by 100. It's all just your choice. We're done with the interest for the first year. I mean, we could print out right now, but then we'll just keep it for later. Now we need the interest for the second year, and we'll need another variable for that, and that'll be I underscore 2. And let's just initialize it to 0.0. And for calculating the interest for the second year, we'll be needing I underscore 2 is equal to sum into same 5% into 1 year divided by 100. And the problem over here is that this isn't just the sum, because if we take sum over here, that'll mean that we're taking the principal from the start. But for the second year, the principal that we take will be the amount of the first year, and the amount of the first year will be sum plus the interest of the first year. So technically we'll be needing sum plus I underscore 1, that'll be the interest. And the same way for I underscore 3, that I'll be initializing in a bit, it will be sum plus I underscore 1 plus I underscore 2, and then it's the same thing into 5 into 1 divided by 100. Let's just initialize I underscore 3 is equal to 0.0. And for the final one, we will be needing the amount after all the 3 years. So let's just initialize amount 2. Amount is equal to 0.0. And for calculating the amount, it's simple. It'll be just the addition of all the interest with the sum. So it'll be sum plus I underscore 1 plus I underscore 2 plus I underscore 3. That's it. And we could just print out everything. So it'll be system.out.println, and we could say the interest for the first year is equal to, and then the I underscore 1. For the second one, system.out.println, the interest for the second year is and then plus the I underscore 2. Then system for the third bit, that is the amount, system dot out dot print ln, and just let me, the amount after 3 years will be plus just amount, and that'll be it. We could save it, we could compile, no errors, close the program, and then we could just test it out. So let's just test it out with a principal of 10,000. Let's go, and boom, this is it. That's it for today, guys. I'll be meeting you guys on my next video. Until then, keep learning and don't let your coding mood to run away.